Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive daily wear collections only for you. So let me display very beautiful bright one, and this one very elegant looks, also premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton, fully fine weaving border design, very smart bright looks. This one full base part soft comfortable, and this one is khadi cotton base, this one is khadi cotton, this one is border portions fine weaving design, heavy weaving work border highlighted, and this one full base part soft comfortable summer friendly and very beautiful color combinations. Also this one is border portions highlighted golden zari stripes, with beautiful fine weaving border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful one contrast color black shaded stripes pattern pallu, very bright beautiful elegant look, soft comfortable summer friendly. And I will suggest this cotton material checks with weaving border contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding fresh trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful one embroidery work, same material same saree different color. Today I have tape pink base, this one is pink base, and beautiful embroidery work, heavy embroidery work, 4-meter embroidery work, and pink base cotton silk material, mixed cotton silk with beautiful bright embroidery work, peacock embroidery work, very bright one, colorful also, and main base is pink shade with beautiful embroidery work, same pattern. Today I have tape, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful smart look. This one is pallu in fully embroidery buta and heavy work border portions, very nice one, fully embroidery work, very bright beautiful looks, best for your daily wear, office wear, very smart bright one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. This one also beautiful bright color combination, same material same pattern, different color embroidery work, cotton silk mixed material with beautiful heavy embroidery design. This one is border portion, this one is border portions, 4-meter work fine heavy embroidery, and this one is full base part embroidery buta, and this one is highlighted heavy worked border portions, very nice one, bright elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portion, same work, full base part, this one is full base part, and silk cotton mixed material. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding fresh bright looks. This one also white base very bright one, silk cotton material, cotton silk material with heavy embroidery, colorful embroidery work, very bright one, same material. Today I have draped, and this one elegant, also elegant and bright. This one is border portions fine embroidery, colorful heavy work embroidery design, and this one is full base part embroidery buta and very smart bright looks. This one is full base part cotton silk mixed material, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, same pattern full base part. This one is pallu heavy embroidery design with buta work, very nice one, bright smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material Gujarati work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy bright looks, bright fresh daily looks. Also in a very beautiful one, bright looks, bright orange shade with embroidery design, very nice one, cotton silk material, and this one beautiful bright embroidery work, very nice one, same material same sorry different color. Today I have taped, this one is silk cotton silk mixed material, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part soft comfortable one, 4-meter work, 4-meter heavy embroidery work, and this one pallu in beautiful bright looks, bright color combinations, also bright orange shade with colorful embroidery work. And I will suggest this silk material with beautiful weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks, bright daily looks. This one also a beautiful one semi organza base and very nice one, contrast color pallu and full base part is beautiful badhani buta printed one. Let me open. This one, full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part, semi organza base and full base, self weaving fine stripes pattern weaving with beautiful badhani buta printed one. And this one is pallu portions, very nice one. This one is pallu portions, upper base part to pallu end, maroon shade with fine weaving design, dobby weaving work, very nice one. This one is half portion to pallu end, beautiful smart looks. And pallu in this beautiful pom-pom design, and this one is dobby weaving base and half portion is black grayish black shade with badhani printed buta, very nice one, elegant look, semi organza base for your smart daily wear, office wear, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric checks pattern, beautiful weaving buta, self weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. Very beautiful one, very colorful, also premium quality, pure handloom, soft khadi cotton silk, contrast border and very beautiful one, smart trendy looks and soft comfortable. This one, full base part. This one is border portions, contrast color border and full base part is premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton silk. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu and very soft comfortable summer friendly, based for your office wear. And this one, full base part, very smart trendy bright elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part and border portions highlighted, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. This one also, very beautiful one, premium quality cotton katki, very beautiful bright color combinations. This one, full base part cotton fabric, premium quality cotton and katki work. This one, full base part, very nice one without running blouse piece. This one is border portions, temple ikat pattern border, very smart bright looks and very soft comfortable premium quality. This one is same full base part without running blouse piece, only saree length. And this one, kotki pallu, contrast color kotki pallu, very nice one, smart bright elegant looks, very elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. This one also, a beautiful one, chanderi cotton with print, yellow shade, golden zari highlighted 1-inch border and full base part is beautiful printed one, bright yellow shade. Let me open. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, highlighted border, golden zari 1-inch highlighted border and full border portions, beautiful printed one. And very soft comfortable smart look, summer friendly, full base part is beautiful printed chanderi cotton fabric. And this one, pallu portions, very beautiful one, highlighted printed stripes with beautiful buta printed pallu, very smart elegant bright looks, yellow shade. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright look, summer friendly obviously. This one also, beautiful one, Bengal traditional taat maroon shade highlighted golden zari weaving taat border and full base part is buta taat buta, very beautiful elegant looks, bright also. This one, full base part cotton fabric and this one is border portions highlighted golden zari taat border, taat weaving border and full base part is buta taat buta. This one is pallu end, stripes pattern without running blouse piece, only saree length, cotton fabric, Bengal traditional taat cotton fabric. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding traditional bright looks. Also in a very beautiful bright one, premium quality handloom malmal cotton with beautiful shivori badhani printed one, very bright beautiful looks, yellow and red contrast looks. This one full base part shivori badhani printed one and very soft comfortable premium quality malmal cotton with shivori badhani printed, full base part is same printed one, very smart looks, fully hand process hand printed. This one pallu portions contrast color red shaded stripes pattern with badhani printed stripes pallu and very soft lightweight obviously malmal cotton. And this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. So in a very beautiful one, malmal cotton pure handloom malmal cotton indigo blue is beautiful printed one, very smart elegant look, summer friendly obviously. And this one full base part, this one is border portions beautiful printed border, and full base part is beautiful smart printed very elegant trendy looks, fully hand process hand printed one. This one is running blouse piece printed, and this one pallu in stripes pattern, fine stripes pattern pallu in very smart elegant trendy looks, soft comfortable summer friendly. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks, bright daily looks. This one also beautiful color combination, same material handloom malmal cotton with batik printed one, very smart trendy looks and beautiful color combinations. This one is pallu portions beautiful printed one, this one is pallu highlighted contrast color with beautiful printed pallu. This one is pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant looks, bright color combinations. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece plain, and this one is full base, very beautiful bright exclusive daily looks, summer looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. And this one also very beautiful one, full base part dobby pattern weaving design and bright color combinations, handloom cotton silk material base with beautiful self dobby weaving full base part. And sorry, this one border portions dobby weaving with contrast color stripes pattern border highlighted. This one is fully weaving dobby weaving, and this one full base part beautiful bright color and self weaving design full base, very elegant trendy looks. And this one pallu portions contrast color highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very soft comfortable smart bright looks. This one is border highlighted, and this one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, very bright beautiful trendy looks, gorgeous also. And I will suggest this silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding gorgeous fresh looks. This one also same material, very beautiful color combinations dobby weaving full base cotton silk base material and contrast color border dobby weaving border. This one full base part this one is full base part, very soft comfortable cotton silk material, and this one border portions contrast color with fine dobby weaving highlighted lines border. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color fully fine dobby weaving pallu, and this one full base part very beautiful one. This one is full base dobby weaving full base part, self weaving work, very bright beautiful highlighted looks and very soft comfortable elegant one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks, gorgeous daily looks. So, in the same material, beautiful one, Dobby weaving, full base part, bright color combinations, very smart one. This one, border portions, beautiful highlighted border, and full base part is fine. Dobby weaving silk, Dobby weaving, full base part, very smart, elegant looks, cotton silk material, and this one, highlighted border, Dobby weaving, highlighted stripes pattern border, and full base part, beautiful one, smart, elegant looks, bright color combination. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful contrast color, silk Dobby weaving, highlighted pallu with highlighted stripes, very smart, bright, trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton silk material, self weaving, heavy work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. This one also same material, cotton silk material, same pattern, Dobby weaving, full base, contrast color, Dobby weaving with highlighted stripes pattern border. This one full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, bright orange shade. This one is border portions, stripes pattern with fine Dobby weaving, highlighted border, and full base part is Dobby weaving, self weaving, Dobby pattern, very nice one, elegant, bright, gorgeous looks. This one is contrast color running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, contrast color, black shaded with highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and full pallu portions, self Dobby weaving pattern, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, smart looks. This one also beautiful one, khadi cotton silk base, handloom one with beautiful foil printed one, golden shade, very nice one, trendy, smart, bright looks. This one full base part, beautiful printed one, very bright looks, best for your office wear, daily wear. This one full base part, foil printed one. This one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern printed with butta pattern printed pallu, and this one is full base, very smart, elegant, bright looks, bright bottle green shade with beautiful butta pattern printed one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous, smart looks. So very smart, elegant looks, very beautiful color combinations, handloom, soft silk material, contrast color, fine stripes pattern, very smart, trendy, elegant looks. This one purple base with beautiful contrast color, highlighted stripes pattern, full base. This one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color, stripes pattern, pallu, very smart one, best for your office wear, trendy, smart looks. This one full base part, beautiful, fine stripes, contrast color stripes, and very soft, comfortable, best for your office wear, very trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive, outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, outstanding, smart looks. This one also same pattern, same material, but beautiful color combinations, pink shade, baby pink shade with beautiful contrast color stripes pattern, fully contrast color, fine stripes, full base part is stripes work. This one is full base part, very fine stripes design, and this one pallu portions, beautiful highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, handloom, soft silk material, very trendy, smart, elegant looks, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. This one is full base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base but contrast color stripes, very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material printed with work, contrast blouse piece. This is for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. And this one also beautiful one, soft silk cotton material, weaving border design, golden zari with contrast colored threaded weaving design, highlighted border, and full base part is ivory printed one, very trendy looks. This one full base part, beautiful ivory printed, and this one is border portions, base is golden zari with contrast color, black shaded threaded weaving design, highlighted highlighted border. This one is pallu, contrast color, fine stripes, and full base part is printed one, Sivori die printed one. This one is full base part, and this one is border portions, highlighted border, and full base part is printed one. Very smart, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, very trendy one, based for your office wear, daily wear, very smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. In a same material, beautiful color combinations, very nice one. Fully weaving border design, silk cotton material, handloom one, Sivori printed one. Let me open. Very smart looks. This one, full base part. This one is full base part. Full base part is beautiful, colorful, Sivori printed one. And this one, border portions, golden zari base border with fine weaving design, contrast color, threaded weaving design, highlighted border, and full base part is Sivori die printed. And this one, pallu portions, highlighted, contrast color, black shaded stripes pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, very smart, trendy look, silk cotton material, handloom one. And this one, border portions, golden zari with weaving design, fully weaving design border. And this one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very beautiful, smart, trendy looks, and colorful also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. This one also, beautiful one, Dupian cotton base with beautiful silver zari border, and full base part is Dobby weaving pattern, very nice one. This one is full base part. This one is golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful neat Dobby weaving, self weaving work, full base part, and very soft, comfortable one, neat Dobby weaving base part. Full base part is same weaving work. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color, highlighted weaving stripes pattern pallu, and full base part is same self Dobby weaving design with highlighted butta work. And this one is silver zari border, and very soft, comfortable Dupian cotton. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very trendy, smart, bright, looks elegant also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, elegant looks. This one also a very bright one, tissue cotton base, jamdani butta, highlighted border, and I have golden sign also. Very nice one, soft, comfortable. And this one, base for your office wear also. Very soft one, summer friendly, And this one is golden zari with contrast color, highlighted stripes pattern border, and full base part is golden sign, tissue cotton material with fine hand weaving, jamdani butta, and full border portion is temple pattern, jamdani weaving temple pattern work, and full base part is weaving butta design. Very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, bluish golden shade, tissue cotton material. And this one, pallu portions, highlighted red contrast stripes with beautiful jamdani butta pallu. Very trendy, smart, bright look, soft, comfortable also. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright, gorgeous looks, gorgeous daily looks. In a very beautiful, trendy, smart looks, white base, soft silk material, pure handloom, soft silk with contrast color, fine weaving border design. Very nice on temple pattern weaving design border. Very smart, trendy looks, based for your office wear. This one, full base part. This one is contrast color, highlighted temple pattern weaving design border. And this one, pallu portions, highlighted contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, very smart, elegant, bright looks, white base. And this one is border portions highlighted weaving border. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color stripes pattern running blouse piece, and this one full base part white with contrast color weaving temple border. Very smart trendy looks, best for your office wear. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful one, cotton fabric, khadi cotton base, weaving polka design, bright blue shade, golden saree border, yellow contrast piping, and pallu part also contrast color. Very nice on trendy, smart, bright looks. This one full base part. This one is golden saree border and khadi cotton base, silk khadi cotton base with beautiful weaving, contrast color weaving, polka design. And this one pallu portions contrast color with beautiful weaving design, polka weaving design pallu. And this one full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, bright blue shade, navy blue shade. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one is border. Very trendy, bright looks, cotton polka weaving work. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. And this one also beautiful color combinations, khadi cotton base, summer friendly, and highlighted contrast color border, golden zari with contrast color stripes pattern border, and full base part is very elegant color combinations. This one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one pallu portions, contrast color pallu with highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks. This one is border, golden zari with contrast color stripes pattern border. And this one full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, khadi cotton base. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, trendy looks. This one also beautiful one, silk cotton material, beautiful elegant color combinations, and border portions is very highlighted one, and pure handloom, contrast color border, and full border portions, sequin weaving work. This one full base part silk cotton material, handloom one. This one is contrast color border, highlighted golden zari lines, and full border portions, beautiful sequin design border. And this one full base part, very smart, bright looks, elegant, also white base. And this one pallu portions, very highlighted one, contrast color fine stripes with beautiful sequin stripes design, highlighted pallu. Very smart, elegant, trendy looks. This one is border portions, fully sequin weaving, sequin stripes work border. And this one full base part, very beautiful one. This one is border, sequins weaving work, and highlighted border, golden zari highlighted lines with contrast color border, and full border portion, same sequin work. And this one silk cotton base and handloom one, white base, very trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, smart looks, elegant also. Then a very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton material, fine weaving border, silver zari weaving border design, and full base part is silvery dye printed, very smart, bright looks. This one full base part, beautiful silvery dye printed one, full base. And this one border portions, highlighted silver zari fine weaving heavy work border. And this one is full base part, silk cotton material. And this one pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern with beautiful silvery printed pallu. And this one full base part, very smart, elegant looks, beautiful color combinations also, silver zari fine weaving border, and full base part is silvery dye printed, very trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. And this one also a beautiful one, pure handloom one, and contrast color stripes pattern work, and base is silk material handloom soft silk material with beautiful contrast color, fine stripes pattern, full base part. And this one pallu portion, same stripes pattern, highlighted pallu, and this one is full base. And this one very beautiful elegant bright color combinations, best for your office wear, trendy office wear. This one is full base handloom soft silk with contrast stripes, and this one is running blouse piece and this one is full piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material, bright color combinations, weaving border, very nice one. This one full base part, beautiful color combinations. This one is full base part, and this one is border portions, contrast color, threaded weaving design, highlighted border, and full base part is small weaving small polka design, very nice one. Buta work, very trendy one, cotton silk material, pure handloom one, highlighted weaving border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, contrast color, royal blue red pallu with beautiful weaving buta design, highlighted, very nice one. This one is full base, this one is pallu, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material, silver saree border, and full base part is beautiful batik printed one, very nice one, smart trendy looks, best for your office wear. This one full base part, this one is pallu portions, highlighted silver saree stripes with beautiful batik printed pallu, and this one full base part, very smart elegant looks, beautiful hand batik printed, and premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material, silver saree border, and full border portions, beautiful hand batik printed one. And this one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, very elegant, smart, bright look, best for your office wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. These are also very beautiful color combinations, cotton silk material, golden saree weaving heavy work border, and full base part is weaving buta design, very smart trendy looks. This one full base part, this one is border portions, highlighted 1-inch golden saree border, and full border portions is beautiful fine weaving design, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta work. This one is pallu portions, highlighted golden saree stripes with beautiful weaving buta design pallu, soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material with beautiful weaving buta design, very smart bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, and highlighted border portions, fully weaving work. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy bright gorgeous looks. Very beautiful one, bright color combinations, mustard yellow, golden set mustard yellow base, and beautiful weaving golden saree weaving design buta work, and base part is pure handloom cotton silk material, and this one is border portions, highlighted golden saree fine weaving work border, and full border portions is beautiful weaving design and contrast color piping, and this one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, very smart bright looks. And this one pallu portions, highlighted golden saree stripes with buta work pallu, and this one full base part, very beautiful elegant color combinations. This one is full base, this one is contrast color piping, and full base part is beautiful weaving work buta work and highlighted border weaving work, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very bright beautiful gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart trendy looks. And today I have did a beautiful saree, bright yellow shade with a fine embroidery design, 4-meter embroidery work, and base is cotton silk mixed material, and full border portion is beautiful heavy embroidery work, woolen embroidery work, and this one is full base, and this one pallu portion, same work pattern, very bright beautiful looks, bright one, best for your office wear, daily wear, soft also, very beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.